नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ टाटा टेली सर्विस के बारे में। और टाटा टेली सर्विस रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया कंपनी ने, और आप लोगों ने देखा हाउ हैज़ द स्टॉक परफॉर्म्स इन Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26। टाटा टेली सर्विस महाराष्ट्र सेल फेल 4% as the Q3 financial year 2026 result show a sharp YoY revenue decline, offsetting the benefit of lower losses and raising concern over top-line growth sustainability. The shares of the company, which is engaged in the business of the wire and wireless telecommunication activities and hold a unified license with access the service authorization in Maharashtra and Goa, and also an internet service provider category, and is focused on providing various wireless voice, data and managed telecom service, has its share crashed by 4% despite a reduction in losses. Let us see why. With the market cap of raised 8,515 crore, the shares of Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited have crashed about 4% and reached a loss at raise 42.70 compared to their previous day's closing price of raise 40.05. Q3 financial year 2026 result. The revenue from operation for the company stood at raise 294 crore when compared to raise 333 crore in Q3 financial year 2025, down by about 12% on year YoY based, and a QoQ base up by 3% from raise 286 crore in Q2 financial year 2026. The net losses, however, reduced from raise 315 crore in Q3 financial year 2025 to raise 150 crore in Q3 financial year 2026 and more as 321 crore in Q2 financial year 2026. From the financial performance points of view, it was a mixed signal for the Qatar. Although the revenue is still lagging last year number, it is the heartening that the net loss narrow to raise 150 crore, which is sustainable and decrease from raise 315 crore in Q3 financial year 2025 and raise 321 crore in Q2 financial year 2026.